Welcome, guys. This is KLK Gift Baskets. Thank you for joining me this afternoon. I'm going to share with you guys today another one of my whatnot orders. So we're going to start with this Isabella, the Disney Encanto doll, and I paid $5 for her. And I checked Walmart, so she retails for between $6 and $13. Okay, the next thing I'm going to feature is, this is a jewelry case, and all these items came from Macy's, guys. This one is a jewelry case. I paid $3.97. You can see they have the little Macy's little shopping bag there. And this is the interior. You can't get much in it for jewelry. This appears to be little holders for earrings here. And I guess you can put bracelets and necklaces down in here. So it's a really nice little small jewelry case. And it has zipper on each side. And it just has pictures of California landmarks. I see the Golden Gate Bridge. There's a trolley car and Fisherman's Wharf. I think that's in San Francisco. So this is a cute little jewelry case. Okay, I'm going to put this in a nice little self-care basket. Okay, the next thing I have is this wish jar. And this is a really little cute, neat idea. It's Wish Craft. Let's make things happen. It includes 32 cards to customize. And it says here, write down memories, goals, song lyrics, dreams, and anything else that makes you happy. And they include the different cards. They have some shaped like flowers, butterflies. I think these are gems shaped like a little diamond or stone or something. So this is really nice. And you just keep it in a little jar. Okay. And these are the items that are included. They have stickers, ink pens, several tags, cards, and the container that you use to add all of your little wish notes in. And it says you can take one out when you need inspiration. That's really nice. All right, so this here I paid $3.29 for. It retails for $19.99. Okay, the next thing I have is this Peppa Pig. This is a battery operated game, guys. It says it is called Muddy Puddle Champion. And it says you race Peppa Pig and George to victory in this puddle stomping contest. Okay. So this, I paid $12.91. It retails for $20 to $27. Okay. And I needed some more Peppa Pig items, so that's going to come in handy. All right. The next thing I have is the Star Wars. This is an Airpod case. I got it for $1.77. It has a retail sticker on it for $9.99. It doesn't have the AirPods in it. It's just the AirPod case. I paid $1.77. I do a lot of Star Wars baskets, so I'm going to put that to good use. All right, this one here, guys, is a Satin Sleep Set. And this particular brand here, I paid $4 for it. It has a standard size pillowcase, an eye mask, and a scrunchie, a hair scrunchie. And this one retailed for $36. It has it right here. But I got it for $4. This is going to be really nice in a self-care basket as well. The next thing I have here is the little tow truck here. It has sound with it. I'm going to leave that little tag where it is. I don't want to use any of the battery life or anything in it. So I paid $5.97. It retailed for $8.99. I think it has sound and lights. Let me see here. Yeah, light and sound. Okay. So the next thing I have is the Batman plushie. It's a cute little Batman. And I paid $1.79 for it. It retails for $7. It's a DC comic character. It'll be cute in the little toddler's basket. Okay, the next thing I have is these 4 card games here. They were sold in a set. So I have Connect 4, Clue, Battleship, and Guess Who. So I paid $6.59 for all 4. And they retail for $7 to $9 for each card game. So I did pretty good on that one. They're averaging out to about $1.60 or so a game. So that was a good deal on those. Okay, the next thing I have here is this puzzle. It's a future president puzzle. This is a good little inspirational thing to give to young girls, just to let them know that anything is possible. Okay. So I paid $2.76 for this. It retails for $15.95. Okay, and let's see who makes this puzzle here. The company is called Puzzle Huddle. Puzzle Huddle. I think that's a really, really cute idea there. Okay, guys, so the next thing I have is this little girl's headband. And I paid $5.66 for this. It retails for $13. From $5 to $13. On eBay, you can get it for $5. So the prices range from $5 to $13 for this beautiful little daisy headband. Really, really cute. Okay, and of course I had to find something for my, I'm getting a lot of little toys and clothes ready for my little grandbaby that's coming. So this is just a cute little sweater, newborn size. And I paid $5.74 for this. And it retails for $12. Okay, and this one is a Carter's brand. Now, I'm not sure where this came from. This is not with that Macy's order. So I'm not sure about that sweater. And the this is a pack of 10 little low-cut socks. They have colors of light gray, medium gray, white, tan. So these are for 2T to 4T, and you know you can barely keep up with little kids' socks. So this is a 10-piece set, so it'll be a while before she loses all these. So these, I paid $9.51 for this pack of 10, and they retail for $9. Okay, so I paid the retail price for these socks. Okay, guys, well, that is it. I just wanted to share the little whatnot haul with you. You guys have a good rest of your day. I love you. Be safe and enjoy your day.